Okay guys, this is what our sky looks like. I'm actually going to try to take off the eclipse part so that you guys can see. Okay, so this is what the sky looks like. It has gradually grown darker. We are more than halfway. Okay, so I'm going to just do a walk around and then I'll put the eclipse glasses back on the phone, the eclipse lenses on the phone, so that you guys can see. But the birds have become quieter and quieter. Okay, this is what the sky looks like. We did have some interesting things in the sky earlier, so I photographed that, but very quickly, here we go. It's just getting a little cooler. You can feel the temperature decline. The birds are quieting a little more. You can still